I-start ko na.
Yes. I already started it.
Ako, yan na pala.
Problema.
Index.
Oh.
Hala ka, nakastop ko. Hala. Anay. Dito sa corner. Pwede ko makalabot. Pwede ko kaya. Let's go.
Wait, I'll be in the generator. I mean, generator.
Where are you? Oh, ikaw na yan.
After this, you need to get 5 iron ingots and then get what's that called again? A stone sword, okay?
Wait, what do I do? What do I do? None una. What do I do first?
Get 5 iron to get you know.
Magpalit. I have to buy. Where to get the iron?
That
Where
I'm
to get
standing
iron?
on.
I'll get wool.
Did you get anything yet, though?
I
No, don't buy wool.
just bought it.
Okay, fine.
Should I surround it?
Yes, surround it. I got some diamonds. Ventario. I only change it to Ventario. I would like to remove this to replace them with concrete.
Okra.
Can check for enemies. I think this is okay now. Buy sword, drill. Here. Sword. There are people waiting for us because they're gonna approach this place. I'll do something.
We'll break it.
Z, help! Shell. Hit. Shell. Favorite meal the Shell.
I hate it.
Easy kill. Oh, Z, hurry.
I have the sword, sorry.
Shell.
No!
I knock him out. Hurry. Kill this guy. Subscribe to our channels.
Please. We did it. We made it.
Hurry. Just spam.
We kill him.
Come,
We did
spam.
it. Too late.
I don't wanna buy. Run, just run for your life. Oh, no. Bro, how? I thought the plan would work.
We buy.
That's my sister. No! May locals!
I hate this dude.
Help me!
Sorry.
Wait, it's
Shell.
Oh, no! Every man, run for your life! make it like 5 long. I know they're gonna do God bridging. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, no! No, see, you're cooked!
No.
You're not good at this. Just attack, guys! No, I'm cooked. At this point, we should just accept that it's dead. At this point, we're just gonna accept that we're dead. Bro! I'm just gonna accept that. Just distract him. Distract him. We're dead. Wow. Nice. No. No, I'm dead. Looks like we're stuck at this. Wait. I'm sorry, G, but I'm leaving you behind. No. Nathan. No. But they covered it so we cannot escape. Nice. Nice. I'm sorry, Caesar. No. I'm sorry. No. Sorry, bro. Sorry, good, very.
Gas. Breaking Bad.
At this point, I'm just gonna stay in the gray team area. No. He broke the bed. No. What did he break? It's breaking bad. It's breaking bad. Help me please. I'm sorry. I just need some resources. Died from Is he gone at least? Hey! No! Why did they cover it? No! Nice! This is my chance. No!
I will protect it. I will protect.
No, I'm sorry. But I don't give a damn about that game. I'm sorry. I will be getting our revenge.
No.
Just kill! Oh no!
Please help me right.
Nice! No! Nice! I'm sorry! Just has to be. I'm leaving for good. I'll come back.
We help me.
Oh no, I need to get bridge. Bro, how did he find me? How did he find me? Goodbye, everyone. Like and
Goodbye.
subscribe to me and Gaster Williams.
Yes.